Selena, Gigi, and Blake? Inside Taylor Swift's star-studded bridal party. First came the family Thanksgiving, and now comes the party of the century. If you thought Taylor Swift's Eras Tour was big, just wait until you hear about her Bachelorette party plans. New reports have just leaked, revealing that Taylor isn't planning just one party, she is planning a global takeover with her famous girl squad. Welcome to FameFlash. Get your passports ready, because we are going inside the most lavish bridal prep in Hollywood history. According to insiders, Taylor isn't settling for a simple night out. Reports say she is organizing multiple trips all over the globe to celebrate her upcoming wedding to Travis Kelce. The itinerary is insane. It kicks off in Nashville, where her career began, for a nostalgic country-themed bash. But then, the squad is rumored to be flying via private jet to a secret tropical island for some sun and relaxation. And knowing Taylor, there might even be a stop in Europe. One source said, quote, "Taylor wants to spoil her friends. Money is no object. She wants this to be an unforgettable adventure for the women who stood by her." Speaking of friends, the guest list is literally a Hollywood red carpet. We are talking about the ultimate girl squad. Expect to see her bestie Selena Gomez leading the pack. Then there's Gigi Hadid, Blake Lively, Sophie Turner, and Emma Stone. This bridal party is more famous than most movie casts. Insiders say Taylor is planning expensive gifts, luxury spa days, and private dinners for her crew. She wants to thank them for being her support system through all the heartbreaks before she found her Prince Charming. While Taylor and Travis haven't officially announced the engagement to the public yet, these party plans tell us everything we need to know. You don't plan a global bachelorette tour unless a wedding is right around the corner. The countdown has officially begun. We just want an invite to this party. Where do you think Taylor should go for her bachelorette? Nashville or an island? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video if you love Taylor's squad. Subscribe to FameFlash for more wedding updates. See you next time.